convertible to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette. Numbers matching 327, 300 horse, be an L75 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And look at this paint. Silver blue 912 paint code. Obviously the car has had restoration work done to it. Take a look at the underside. You want to see nice and clean, tidy. Check out the underside. Engine bay pics, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We're going to fire this up. Check out those headlights. Look underneath the hood. Let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see nice and straight. A little blemish in the paint here, which had a little bit of touch-up work. Kind of get that to show up. There you go. Beautiful body lines in the 63s. Spinner wheel covers. What a great look. Dark blue interior. $490K on the trim code. Have a white soft top. We'll put that up at the end of the video too. Let you check that out. That's in very nice condition. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, dual exhaust out the rear the way it's supposed to be. Chrome shows well in this car. And as you can see, I pointed out that one little imperfections. There was a couple really tiny ones, and I don't even know if I can find them back. I know there's one in the front I'll show you, but overall, paint in this car definitely shows well. Take a look at the top. Lots of times you'll start to see a bunch of wear where the convertible top goes down and around on them. Looks good on this one. Of course, manual top, very easy to put up and down. Takes all but a minute or two tops. Let's go ahead and take a peek down the driver's side here. And as you can see, nice and straight, even paint. Paint has been put on here, very nice. Gentleman where this came from had it for 10 plus years, bought it the way that you see it. So it is not a fresh paint job. It just still shows very well. The one other spot that I noticed, again, if I can find it back, they're in the still pictures, and there's a couple just real small. Now I can't even find them. A couple little spots where it was touched up. And I mean tiny. Here it is. That's the one I'm thinking of right there. And when I mean minute, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Seat belts, and this is one of those where we have floor mats and the floor mats on the carpet. And if you want to take a look at the still pictures, I took it each way. Just peeled the layers back and took a picture, peeled the next layer back, took a picture. You're also going to see the numbers matching stamp on the engine. You will see the VIN and the data tag from underneath the dash. Take a look at the seats. Very little wear to those. As far as interior, played around with it a little bit. You're going to notice the clock is working when we get in there and take a closer look. Tachometer works, wipers worked, blower fan works, headlights will work. I did not get the stereo to fire up, power up, so I'm going to give you the heads up on that. Still retains the stock looking stereo. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, and here you can see the tach is working. Pretty much the same way you see it on the majority of the mid-years. All right, fuel gauge, amp meter, battery, looks good. That was a cold start, so the temp gauge is not moved. There's your oil pressure, looking good on oil pressure also. And slip over here, check out the second hand of the clock working. And yes, there's two hands there. 3 counting that second hand if you want to get technical. Top of the dash. Nice condition and no crazy exhaust. you don't want those loud side pipes, we're gonna have to deal with it on this one. All right. Slip around to the back. No crazy cam. Just a nice, fun, streetable car. Again, the 327, 300 horse, numbers matching. And let's see, let me reach in. We'll do these headlights for you. I'll come up very even too. Look at that. Also in working order. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna pop the hood. Be a little easier with a couple hands. Yeah, let's see. We can get this done. There we go. There it is. Nice tidy engine bay. And smooth. Listen to that thing. If you watch my videos lots of times, it's what you don't hear underneath there. So the headlights came up nicely. Check out the passenger side engine compartment. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to slip around to the other side. I'm going to pause this, close it back up, shut it off. I'll flip that top up so you check out the condition of the convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Let's see, it fits nicely above the windshield. Of course, manual top. Very easy to put up. Matter of a minute or two, max. And as you can see, free of rips, tears, holes, rear window nice and clear. How many times are you really going to drive this with the top up though? Seriously. But if you need to stay out of a little brief shower, or maybe want the sun off you for a while, it's going to serve the purpose. And looks good with it up. There you go, 1963 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.